Hey guys, welcome back to another protein snack review. Isaac here from Undeniable again. We're doing, continuing on, should I say, with the Protein Works brand. These guys are from the UK. Yesterday we did like the triple nut chocolate, little like sort of, I almost call it like a little brownie sort of bar thing. Really yummy. Stats weren't that great, a little bit too high on the fat, really not enough protein, especially when you're dieting. All this kind of stuff is a lot more flexible when you're bulking, so it's a little bit easier, but this one today we've got is chocolate peanut butter. So it should be interesting to see how this stacks up, because yesterday was kind of chocolatey but with like more nuts. Today this is just the peanut butter chocolate, so I'm assuming this is going to be yum as well. Looking at the back here, you got only 126 calories, so that's awesome for this. 4 fat, nice and low. You got 12.8 grams of carbohydrates, so that's fine. Normally carbs are your highest macro, so you can fit normally more of those in. 6.4 grams of fiber, another really good stat there, and 10.3 grams of protein. So this bar is a lot more like it. It's a lot easier to fit that kind of ratio into your macros when you're dieting. So let's get it going. I expected the fat to be a lot higher for a chocolate peanut butter. Pretty much any time you touch nuts, it's always okay. So it comes on like a little disc, and again it looks like another one of these like little brownie kind of slice things. Definitely smell a lot of nut coming through. Ooh. Okay, that's because it's a chocolate brownie, or a protein brownie. Super dense, thick. It's got nuts through it. A little bit sort of grainy texture at the end there. Very soft though, even though it's super dense, it's soft. It's got like peanut chunks all the way through it. A very subtle chocolatey flavour. Very chewy. Okay, it really does taste pretty good. It tastes very close to like a actual chocolate brownie with nuts in it. Very close. I can definitely tell that it's been made with protein powder in it. Just because it seems sort of too chewy. That's probably the only thing between like a real chocolate brownie and this. Again, but the stats on the back are great for this little brownie. You're looking at 4 fat, 12.8 carb, and you're looking at 10.3 grams of protein. So overall, that's really good, guys. I really like it. It's a little bit weird flavor coming through, so probably looking at 7.2 for this one, guys. I like it. Yeah, it's really impressive. It's probably not enough peanut buttery for me. I can definitely get the nuts in there, but I want more peanut buttery flavor. So that's it for today, guys, and yeah, we'll see you again tomorrow.